In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll walk through a simple flow: finding Webflow from a Google search, opening your site from the dashboard, interacting with a highlighted field on the page, and then pasting a small tracking snippet into a code block so your Webflow forms can capture UTM parameters. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and hit Enter. You should see the official Webflow result at the top. Click through to open Webflow. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your workspace and projects. Searching first is a handy fallback if you don't have the dashboard bookmarked. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, locate the project you want to work with. On the project card, you'll see an option labeled View Site. Click that to open the live or staging version of your site in a new tab. This view is helpful because it shows exactly what visitors see, which is perfect for quickly confirming that your updates behave as expected. When your site loads, look for the highlighted area you want to interact with. Click directly on that highlighted element or field to focus it, just like you would when selecting any input or text area on a page. This is useful for quick checks, like ensuring the element is selectable and styled as intended. Now, type the word highlight into that field. Typing into the live page helps you confirm that the input accepts text, the cursor behavior is correct, and your typography and spacing read well at real visitor scale. If you're using a form field, this is also a good time to notice how placeholder text, labels, and focus states appear during actual use. Next, open the code block on the page. A code block in Webflow lets you embed custom HTML or JavaScript. Click into it to edit, and paste in your code that captures UTM parameters for your Webflow forms. UTM parameters, like UTMS source, UTM medium, and UTM campaign, travel in the page URL and help you attribute where form submissions came from. The typical snippet reads those parameters from the URL and places them into matching form fields. For best results, make sure your form includes fields, often hidden, whose names correspond to the UTMs you care about, so the script has somewhere to store them. That's it. You used Google to reach Webflow, opened your site, verified a highlighted field by typing into it, and embedded the UTM tracking snippet via a code block so your forms can capture valuable attribution data.